such an easy recipe and it is so good. We're going to begin by making our apple filling on the stovetop. And you need 3 cups of finely diced apples. And we're adding 1/2 cup of apple juice. And we're going to season our apples with 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and for thickener we're using 2 tablespoons of flour. We're going to give it a stir to get everything well mixed. Now our mixture is starting to bubble, so I'm going to turn this down on low. We're placing the lid on this, and we're going to let this simmer for about 10 minutes. Our mixture is nice and thick and our apples are slightly cooked. We're removing the lid and we're going to set this aside off of the heat for 10 more minutes. While our apple filling is cooling, we're going to make another layer that goes on the inside of our strudel. 5 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, and I'm adding 1/3 cup of walnuts. Instead of walnuts, you could use raisins, or in addition to the walnuts, you could add another 1/3 cup of raisins. So we're just going to toss this around, and this filling goes on our puff pastry first, and then we're going to lay the apple filling on top of this. We have 2 sheets, and we're making 2 strudels. So right out of the package, we have these creases, and there's a little bit of flour on these. When they're folded, it keeps them from sticking. So I'm just going to put that side down. I'm going to put a little flour on this side. And I just want to roll this to get those creases out. So it's important to leave your puff pastry in the refrigerator until the last minute. We're going to go along about every inch with a sharp knife. Cut this into 1-inch strips. So I've placed our puff pastry on a parchment lined baking sheet. First we lay on 1/2 of our brown sugar. Leave about 1/2 inch on each end. Without any filling. So I start on the one end where I have a big cut and just push them like so. I'm coming back with an egg wash of 1 egg and a tablespoon of water. Our pastry is going into a 400-degree oven until nice and golden and puffy. Our apple strudel just came out of the oven. It baked about 25 minutes. Let it cool for about 10 minutes.